Welcome everybody to 7 Caleana Close in beautiful Banksia Beach. Part of the Pacific Harbour Golf and Country Club, this gorgeous estate is built around the most magnificent golf course. This property is a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 2-garage home, currently tenanted until October, and it is immaculate. I think you'll agree with me. Come on through. Coming through that beautiful wide double entrance, you'll see this gorgeous front room here. It is only a 2-year-old property, so we have gorgeous carpets, lovely fans, and ample storage here. Great sized rooms, lovely high ceilings. Coming through into the 2nd bedroom. Once again, beautiful size storage in here, lovely carpet underfoot, gorgeous down lights, and nicely positioned away from the front or the back of the house. Double car garage in here, a fantastic size media room currently being used as a playroom. Beautiful, and it is able to be shut off as well, allowing that privacy. You could turn that into a 5th bedroom. So the 3rd of the bedrooms here, once again, beautiful size. These lovely stainless steel fans, lovely carpet underfoot, and this tiled living area, nice and easy to clean. Flows seamlessly into this large main bathroom with a good sized bath here, as well as this beautiful rain shower. And notice the lovely recess in the wall. We have stone tops, beautiful vanity, a great sized laundry in here, beautiful storage in the linen area, and that goes straight out to the drying yard. So coming back into this main living area here, so remember we've got the media room, and then we have this beautiful open plan that goes all the way out to the backyard as well, where you can look out over the golf course and this great size pond. It's more like a lake, really. Coming into the kitchen, lovely stone bench tops, a gorgeous sink area. We have a gas stove, fantastic for cooking on, wide drawers and beautiful cabinetry. I love the subway tile splashback as well. These pendant lights really show off in this room. Now, coming out to the patio area, it's amazing what you could do with this property. So clearly you have this undercover area, which is all insulated, fans, as well as the downlights there. We also have this part here without the roof area, and this expansive backyard. Let's have a little look. Give you some shoes there to walk on, Brie. So in this backyard, you have the absolute pleasure of as they go. Have a look, they've got the golf carts going through. There's a kangaroo sitting right over there. Straight across that waterway. Can you see that kangaroo? Is it just the one of them? Yeah. Beautiful. Can you believe it's winter in Queensland right now? It is gorgeous. What a beautiful day. We're hot wearing sleeves. So this lovely lake area attracts all this gorgeous wildlife, so beautiful birds, the most spectacular sunsets and sunrises. So over this way we have the east, over that way is the west, and we have this backyard. You could fit 3 swimming pools in here quite easily. It is huge. And take a look just down the side there, massive side access there. You can easily fit a car down there, a van, and then you have a 2.5 clearance as well on the eaves. No eaves on the right hand side, as you can see. Colorbond roofing there, but of course the master bedroom, which comes straight out onto the yard as well. Is a beautiful size and has a nice little surprise. So come on through. Once again, it's got such a crisp, clean feel because it's only 2 years old. Great size bedroom here, fantastic walk-in robe here, and this beautiful ensuite is huge. A massive size ensuite here. Double vanity, extra large wet area with rain shower and recess. Beautifully tiled with those tiles there, and a separate toilet, which has got a door. A fantastic amount in this property of features, and you're right, of features, and I tell you what, it is incredible value for money. Sitting at offers over $650,000, I think you're going to want to take a look at this. Now the property is currently tenanted, so inspections are limited. This will go quick. Please do get in touch. My name's Claire Uttley from Remax Advanced, and I look forward to talking to you soon and seeing you at the open home.